Welcome to class. Today is the second edition of our class, and today we shall be treating the topic mathematical numbers. In mathematics, we have two types of numbers. There are, there are two, okay. There are two types of numbers in mathematics. And these two numbers are these two numbers are positive numbers and negative numbers. These are the two basic numbers you always use in mathematics. And positive numbers are numbers with positive sign, IA plus. Why the second one? Negative number. The negative numbers are numbers with negative sign, IA minus. These are the two basic signs you'll be seeing in mathematics all through, no matter the type of mathematics you'll be dealing with. And today we shall be dealing with positive numbers. We'll face positive numbers. As I said, we'll be concentrating on positive numbers today. Positive numbers. And positive numbers are numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You can go on and go on and go on, etc. What we mean by positive numbers, you can see, whenever you see a number without a sign, without plus or minus attached to it, it is a positive number. It can as well carry plus here, but conventionally, we don't add the plus when we are treating mathematics. But whenever you see a number without a sign, just know that it is a positive number. If it is a negative number, the negative sign must be attached. So, wherever you see numbers without sign, just know that that number is a positive number. And once you know this, you can always count 1, 2, 3 to 100 to 1,000 to 1,000,000 without mistake and with ease. And let us see how it can be done. We are going to study the table right now. I clean this so we can study the table. where it can be demonstrated the easiest way to identify positive numbers up to 1 million, even billion. Look at this table. In this table, we have okay, sorry. We are dealing on the topic how to count 1, 2, 3 to 1 million to 1 billion without any mistake or without any stress. Watch the board. Just watch the table. Here you have words, and here you have numbers, number of zeros, and the total digit. With this thing we are going to treat now, anybody can count 1, 2, 3 to 1 billion without any stress. Watch here. This is unit. A unit is any number that is single, such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number that are 1. For example, this is 1 here. This 1. Under number. Number of 0. None. Because there is no 0 attached to it. Number of digits 1. As you can see, then as we move ahead, the next one we have 10. And this is 10. Sorry. In mathematics, you count from right and go towards the left. So let me place the 1 here because we are going to have bigger numbers. So in 10 now, you have 0 and 1. So under here, number of 0, you have 1. Or 1 if you like. The number of units, you count 1, 2, and that is 2 units here. As you move ahead, the next one is 100. And how to write the 100, which is the number is increased now if you watch. You write 0, 0, 1. So number of 0, 1, 2, which is 2 or 2. Number of digits 1, 2, 3. 3 digits. As you move ahead, the next one you have here is 1000. 1000. How do you write the 1000? You write 0, 0, 0, 1. Put your comma here. Whenever you are writing numbers in mathematics, once the number goes beyond 3 digits or beyond 3 zeros, you must put your comma. If you remove this comma here, you are making mathematical mistake. But once you put it, it will become correct. So in this one now, how many zeros do we have here? 1, 2, 3. We have 3. Or 3. Number of digits 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 digits. As we continue to increase in momentum, the next one we have here is 10,000. We have 10,000. How do you write it? Write 1, 2, 3. This is the thousand. Then the 10, 0, 1. Put your comma here. This is 10,000. So how many zero do you have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 4 zeros. How many digits do you have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits. Write it here. As you move ahead in momentum, the next one you have is 100,000. Let me, for the sake of clarity, I'm doing this. With these things we are doing, you can always count any number to any number of figures without mistake. You are going to see how we are going to do this thing. Then here we have 100,000. How do you write 100,000? Write it here. 1, 2, 3. Put here comma. 1, 0, 1. This is 100,000. How many zeros here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 0. Or 5. How many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 digits. As we move ahead, the next one we have here is 1 million. 1 million. How do you write it? It starts from here. Always remember to start from the right towards the left. As the number of zeros continue to increase, the value of the figure continues to become bigger and bigger. And the more the number of zeros decrease, the value of the figure comes down. So this is how to write 1 million. 1, 2, 3. Put your comma. 1, 2, 3. Put your comma. Write 1 here. This is 1 million. How many zeros do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 zeros. Six zeros. How many digits do you have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have 7 digits. So after 1 million, what is the next? What is the next figure that we are going to have as add one more zero? It is 10 million. Write it here. 10 million. How do you write the 10 million in figure? Write 1, 2, 3, put your comma. 1, 2, 3, put your comma. Then 10. This is 10 million. How many zeros do you have in this 10 million? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Write the 7 here. How many digits do you have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8 digits. After 10 million, as you add more 1 zero, it becomes what? 100 million. $100 million. How do you write the 100 million in figure? 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 1. This is 100 million. How many zeros do we have in 100 million? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 8. How many digits do you have in 100 million? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have 9 digits. After 100 million, what is the next amount you are going to have? As you add one more zero, you have 1 billion. 1 billion. This is 1 billion. How do you write it? Write 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1. This is 1 billion. How many zeros are here in this 1 billion? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have 9. How many digits do we have in this 1 billion? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have 10 digits. So, with this analytical table, any child or any person can actually count 1, 2, 3 positive numbers to 1 billion without making any mistake. It's all about adding 110 or 11 figure to the letter that you have. So if you understand this our table very well, let me ask this question now. Permit me to clean the up so that I can ask a question to see how much you understand what you have taught. If you really understand this, our topic, now see this question. Exemplary question. One, how many zeros are there in 1 million? Then question two, how many digits are there in 1 million? Once you can answer this question very well, it means that you understood everything that we taught. And no matter how they put the figures, if they ask you the amount, you'll be able to get it. You are going to show the answer. Solution. Solution to question one. Write out the 1 million. This is the 1 million. The first question is asking us how many zeros do we have in 1 million? You count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Answer. 6 zeros. Question 2. How many digits do we have in 1 million? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now have, okay, let me write it separate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer, 7 digits. As you can see, the difference between the number of zeros and the number of digits is that you count all the numbers written complete from beginning to end. But in zeros, you count only zeros. You will not count the real number that is attached. So this is how to make use of positive numbers. No matter, even if you reach to billion, trillion, you can always use it in mathematics once you understand what we have taught today very well. So this is where we are going to draw the curtain. In the next edition of our class, we are going to treat negative numbers that we wrote before. Negative. We are going to treat negative numbers in our next class. Thank you and do well to continue with us to follow us up in our next edition of our class. Thank you and see you next time.